Hello everyone, my name is Satyam Shivaach and I am working as a legal intern with LEXIS and Company, and in this video we will discuss about Bureau of Indian Standard Act. Toys are part of everyone's childhood life. The necessary concern of the parents over the use of toys is that they are a quality product and they don't comprise with the standard of the product. The cheap quality of product may harm the children and endanger their life. Before 1st September 2020, the toy manufacturers were free from obtaining the BIS certificate. So they used to manufacture toys, children product in mass without taking quality assurance and security and reliability norms. So it was onus on the government to provide a standard for the manufacturer companies so that they can introduce a quality product. Recently, the central government passed Toy Quality Control Act Order 2020 for the purpose of toys and other such materials manufacturer comprises to meet the safety and quality standards before selling it in the Indian market. The acceptance of Indian standard would provide the consumers to recognize the quality of toy product being sold in the market. Let's see the role of BIS to maintain the quality of goods. The Bureau of Indian Standard, in short known as BIS, is the national standard body established by the Bureau of Indian Standard Act 1986. It works under the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. Later, the act was repealed by the Bureau of Indian Standard Act 2016 and BIS was re-established as the national standard body of India. The main purpose for the establishment of the Bureau was to recognize, formulate and promote the Indian standard with regards to different products. The foreign manufacturer also need to obtain the BIS certificate before making its product present in Indian market. The BIS through standardization, testing and certification has been providing various benefits to not only consumer but also to the national economy. Now let's see the function of it. The Bureau offers certification service to the industry and serves as an effective link between state government, industries and technical institutions. The BIS is not a standard or uniform directive that applies to each and every product. For different product, the specific Indian standards are applicable. Now let's see the procedure for obtaining the BIS certificate. The companies seeking the BIS certificates for the purpose of selling their product in the market should go by the following given procedure. First, the manufacturer need to get the product tested from any of the one recognized BIS laboratories. All critical components from the test report must be attached if it is required. Generally, a test report are provided within 15 days. Then the next is, the test report must be issued on the name of the produce bearer, the name of the manufacturing unit and the address of the unit. And the next is, the applicant must check that the test reports are duly evaluated before making an application for the BIS certificate. Followed by, the applicant needs to download 6 and 7 of the BIS website to fill duly supporting the test reports and not more than 90 days old from the date of application. And in case of the manufacturer bearing a foreign company, the application must be filled and signed by the authorized Indian representative according to the required norms of the BIS. Then the next is, the manufacturer need to apply for registration for each of the product for different locations separately. If the product is made under the different brand names, then the applicant needs to get the different brand name certified individually. After the application is being made, the certificate will be granted to the applicant on the verification made by the officials within 15 days. The validity of the registration will last till 2 years and then can be renewed afterwards. Now let's see what are the documents needed for the BIS registration. Starting with the acknowledgement slip obtained after online submission. Second is the address proof including business license and other such similar documents as required by the government. Then the next is the application signed by the CEO of the company or authority letter obtaining by him. Then the next is authorization letter of the brand owner, registration certificate of any trademark registered certificate. Then the next is the test report along with the undertaking. And the last is for the importer, the document must include commercial invoice, packaging list, insurance cover note, bill of landing, the country of origin certificate and from where the manufacturer company belongs. Then on the submission of all the above stated documents, the Bureau shall grant the registration number after the inspection. The BIS registration number shall be marked by the manufacturer on the product after obtaining the registration. Now let's see recent order regarding the classification of toys for the certificate. The toys and play article don't come under the applicability of the BIS compliance until the central government under the power conferred under Section 1 and 2 of the Section 16 of the Bureau of Indian Standard Act 2016 passed that the Toy Quality Control Order 2020 for the purpose of toy and other such material manufactured companies to meet the safety and quality standards before selling in Indian market. The major aim of the government behind implementing was to eliminate the Chinese toys manufacturer who had captured the Indian market through their cheap quality product, providing a very low cost. This order came into force on 1st September 2020. However, due to ongoing COVID-19, the government-wide order extended the enforcement time till September 1st to January 1st, 2021. After this order, the toy manufacturer and the importers will have to comply with the Bureau of Indian Standard to meet the safety, quality and standard and reliability norms while manufacturing and importing toys. So the Indian manufacturer will have to obtain the necessary BIS certification before selling toys for children below 14 years of age. Despite Indian manufacturer, foreign manufacturer will also have to obtain the BIS certificate with regard to the physical and mechanical properties. The toy will have the standard mark stamped on them under the license obtained by the Bureau of Standard under Scheme 1 and Scheme 2 of the BIS Conformity Assessment Regulation 2018. That is all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.